Alright, we're out here planting rice today. Hot, humid, sun is shining. We're planting rice. So, getting it done out here today. Turn it on. Oh, that little rice. Hey, let me give a shout out to a guy I've never met, but I got a lot of respect for, is old Rusty Creasy out there. Pretty much everything I learned about growing rice, I learned from him on Instagram. So check him out, check me out, check the other guy out. I don't care. Check us all out. And let's shoot some ducks this fall. What do you say? I'm down with it. Thanks, Rusty. Appreciate the help, buddy.